we did promise a second episode with Maxine. Thank you so much for still being with us on this. Ang dami pa rin kailangan i-discuss on this
Sobrang
episode.
daming tanong.
I know I left off with a lot of questions. Pero I'll let you start this one.
Okay, yung hanging question ko dun sa first episode, scientifically, ano ba explanation kung bakit ang mga lalaki, hindi ko nilalahat, okay, magagalit na naman kayo sa akin kasi meron din naman mga babaeng manloloko, pero generally, mas manloloko ba talaga mga lalaki?
Sorry,
And
kala ko, gusto mo na naman tanong bakit yung mga ex hindi pinag-uusapan. Gagalit na naman kayo, chat. Bakit yung mga ex ay pag-uusapan? Mismo, exactly my point.
Hindi. Bagong ikagagalit na naman ng mga lalaki ngayon. Uulitin ko ha, hindi ko nilalahat kasi may mga babae ding manloloko. Pero scientifically, mas manloloko ba sila?
That's a good question kasi napaka-complex niya.
Okay.
Ang mga lalaki kasi, so totoo lang again, when I say lalaki, the composition of the brain. Okay. Men are very simple. Kumbaga parang...
Can I get an amen? Amen!
Kumbaga, nagmumukha silang...
If men are simple, women are...
I guess when I say simple, ang mga lalaki kasi very straightforward. If they want, they want. If they don't, they don't. So meaning, they don't have they don't struggle with detaching as much as kumbaga very straightforward sila. Pag nakita nilang hindi talaga. So nagmumukha silang manloloko.
Sorry, wait.
Nalito ako
rin.
Nalito ako doon.
Yeah.
Kasi if ganun ang lalaki, alam nila yung gusto nila, so ba't di nila kayang, ito lang ang gusto
Kasi
ko?
meron kang perspective. You're talking about men who are cheating, di ba?
Oo.
Usually, ang mga lalaking nag-cheat, cheating is an avoidant behavior eh. Ibig sabihin, ano ang avoidant? Kunyari may partner ako, hindi ko bibigyan 100% ko. Ano lang, mga 60. Sa akin yung 40. Yon ang avoidant. Ganon ang most men because men are yun nga, very straightforward na parang pag wala tong future, they already know that. So then they look detached. Does that make sense?
Yes,
Ang mga
ganun ako eh.
babae.
Pero pag
Dati.
nakita nila na
But
talagang...
when they commit din. But again, it has a lot to do with their internal work na, nga no, ba't di ko binibigay yung the rest of the 40? Right? Ang mga babae kasi very emotionally driven.
Okay.
So when they have emotions, they treat it as their reality. Mas mabilis talagang na-attach yung women.
Girls, oo.
At mahirapan din usually to detach. Kasi nga sila yung mas ganon. So I wouldn't say men are scientifically more leaning towards cheating, but they have a different way of processing emotions. That's why men are seemingly like detached and cheaters. But I don't believe na they are wired to cheat. They are just different in terms of...
na yung mga lalaki.
Hindi na tayo.
Ganun pa yung sa isang taga-JC. Ay,
Di ba? Laban sila.
nakita mo yung
Nakita
pagganon
ko,
niya?
pasok eh. Pasok, yun yung gusto ko sabihin
Gusto
eh.
ko yan.
Lalaki
Yan.
dito.
Diba sabi mo, men are not cheaters, lahat sila gagawin.
Pero tsaka malalaman mo sa guys pag may patterns na rin sila na ayaw nilang bagay. Usually ang mga cheaters, nasaktan sila one time, big time.
Okay, kung hindi scientifically cheaters ang mga lalaki, ang women ba, scientifically naman, confrontational ba kami? Gusto ba namin ng
I would...
Yes!
conflict?
Yes! Yes!
Oh, sige,
My
gagawin ko na
God!
lang.
Gusto ko lang matulog! Gusto ko na matulog, girl! Sorry, pakidelete na lang ito mamaya.
But I mean, anong explanation for that? Kung bakit kami mga babae, hindi man all, but most women, pag may nangyari, pag-usapan natin.
Okay, women naman are, di ba sabi ko nga, mas emotional. So they make sense through emotions.
Okay.
If, kunyari, late ka umuwi, tas I felt abandoned, I don't care the reason why. I am abandoned.
Can we change the example? Tatamaan na. Dalawang episode na ako natatamaan sa late
But
umuwi.
you get it, right? So then,
Yeah.
women would most likely extract what they need from the guy through pushing, through protest behavior. So, kunyari, awayin ko to para maramdaman ko.
And
na
that's wrong.
Well, I would, kasi testing in relationships is wrong.
Testing.
You shouldn't test your partners.
Paano
Testing
testing
yung pag-push away mo.
Kasi feeling mo, kapag pinush mo,
Kumbaga
hahabol
parang ganito yan.
Oo.
Hindi mo masabi na lang yung gusto mo. Parang pinapaligoy-ligoy mo kasi yung effort ng guy to reach you, that's testing.
Yeah. And we like it.
Oo, kasi ang women naman, we make sense nga of emotion. So pag pinaglalaban ako, pag hinahabol ako, parang it makes sense emotionally.
Okay.
Kaya nakakapagod yung gano'n yung pursuer avoidant.
You brought up doon naman tayo sa hindi pa in a relationship.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yan.
Sa naghahabol, you mentioned naghahabol. Why does it seem like we are after people na hindi natin makuha? And what is it with the thrill of the chase? Sabi nila, people are always after the thrill of the chase, tapos doon namamatay yung relationship or whatnot. Number one, why are we after people na minsan out of our league or parang alam natin hindi natin makukuha pero yun yung gusto natin?
A lot of it has to do with the brain. Addiction. It's about, parang ganito, di ba? Gambling, casino. Or ngayon, nauuso yung mga klo-klo,
Nice.
di ba?
Oh, yes.
Oh my
May
gosh.
friend kami.
Oh my
Tago natin sa pangalang Kaz.
Pero ang husay, it's so addictive.
Naku,
It's so
exactly.
bad
Grabe
trip.
si
So
Kaz.
gamitin natin na yung kapatid ko, shout out Ken. Sobrang addict niya. Ang dami niyang ginagastos doon sa claw machine. Pero
Nagiging
yung-
parang ano na
pansin
nga
nyo,
daw eh, parang casino na
pwede
yung claw
natin,
machine. Oh,
but if you
right.
think about it, pwede mo bilhin yun, di ba?
But it's really,
Yes, yes.
So
Yes.
but
bakit?
it's so addictive.
There.
Tsaka swangit pa yung teddy bear.
exactly.
Hindi man lang to magandang
As
teddy
in, mga
bear.
100 pesos lang ata yun, pero ang ginagastos mo mga 500.
What's with
Why?
that?
Oh.
It's the moment of I may not win, but I could win. That gives the rush.
And most of the people are like that.
Yeah.
With
Kasi
everything in life.
it
Or with a
feels
lot of
good
things in
eh.
life.
Okay, it's normal to have that kind of rush and dopamine, but it's abnormal when you can't stop it because kahit knowing na it's bad for you. That's when it becomes a problem. Kunyari, ako, I like the claw machine thing pero nagbo-budget ako ng 100 pesos lang. Pag
Same.
lumampas na ako dun, sabi ko na.
Same.
Pero kung nandun ka na sa point na kailangan ko siya makuha, tas nauubos na, addictions na.
Okay.
Even
Yun.
with alcohol, I guess.
Yeah.
Even with alcohol.
With everything.
Yeah.
Shopping, right?
Okay, babalik ako dun sa relationship. There's always it's the chase that you like. It's not the person.
Oh, yung action.
And the reason why you
Oh my
like this
God.
person
Oh,
is
okay.
because this person is not giving it to you. That's why it's risky. Nakaka-addict yung feeling na yun di ba? Yung parang, tama ba ako or hindi? Yun
Oh.
siya. It's actually the addiction part there, hindi yung stuffed toy. Kita mo naman yung value ng stuffed toy. It's the moment that you press. That's addicting. Yung
Same with yung mga humahabol. Kasi,
what we're learning there in our brain is that if I take a risk, I feel good. But the problem is that you don't always feel good because you don't always win.
tsaka most of the time, hindi naman talaga maganda sa pakiramdam yun.
Mhm.
Actually, hindi ka most of the time, hindi talaga okay humabol, right? Ikaw yung humahabol, anong pakiramdam nun? Kawawa
Well,
ka nun
I'm
eh.
thinking about material things now. Eh.
Okay.
Diba? Let's say you want a certain material thing. A house, a car, whatever. So, na-experience ko to minsan eh. You work so hard.
Yeah.
Tapos sige, finally you buy it. Whatever it is. And then, sa akin, minsan, as soon as 2 weeks,
Wala na.
Wala nang pake.
Yes.
parang,
Yes.
Wala na
okay,
yung
nandiyan na
thrill.
sa garahe. Parang,
I believe you. I believe you.
and I feel bad for myself. Parang, puta, all that work, all these months of hyping. And then when it's there in front of you,
Because we're missing the point. It's the process of getting it that's addicting. It's the challenge of getting it. Kaya tama yung sinasabi mo, Sam. There's this approach in therapy where there's nothing that we learn in success. When you buy the house, ang bilis lang niya mawala.
correct.
It's the achieving it. It's wanting it. It's the wanting and then getting it that is addicting. Kaya totoo yun. Marami ngayon, ang addictions hindi lang siya sa substance. There are behaviors. For example, try nyo later, bitawan nyo yung phone nyo. For like 30
Yan.
minutes.
Yan.
Bitawan nyo lang. Pagdating
Yan.
nyo ng bahay, iwan nyo sa kotse.
Yan.
Tapos panoorin mo sa brain mo, ilang beses mo hahanapin yung phone mo. Yun. That's the pattern.
Fudge. Patay tayo.
Nasanay
DJ
ka na,
Chacha,
no?
patay tayo
Nakaganon
dyan.
na dalawa kami ni Sam.
Opa.
Nasanay ka na, no?
No, that's a good exercise for everyone.
Mas nauuna pa nga kayo mag-check ng phone kaysa check nyo kung buhay pa ba yung katabi
Correct.
nyo, di ba?
Correct. When you wake up in the morning,
ano
Try
yung
nyo.
ginagawa?
That's you breaking the pattern if nakukuha mo na, hinanap ko yung phone ko ulit. Kaya mahirap mag-move on sa breakup eh. Ay, sorry, na-relate ko na bigla.
Oh,
No?
hindi, tama naman.
Kasi ang break...
para siyang
Naging-
phone.
Kasi
Hindi, naging-
kasanay
Sanay
ka
ka na.
Oo.
Nasa sistema mo
Kaya
na siya.
ang mahirap sa breakup is not that you want the person back. Your system is
Companionship.
dysregulated. Kumbaga parang mamimiss mo siya pag malungkot ka, mamimiss mo siya pag masaya ka kasi yung brain mo may nafe-feel tapos ang alam ng brain mo siya. So kailangan, tandaan nyo to, if you are ever recovering, you want to quit a behavior, you want to quit something or you're going through a breakup, before you dive into the behavior, take a pause and look at ano yung nafe-feel ko before I wanted it. Because whatever that is, that person was satisfying it. And this is how you move on. Whatever you remove, you have to replace.
Diba,
Sorry, whatever you have
yung
to-
iba,
you
hindi
have
tao
to
yung
remove.
iniisip, yung material na bagay.
Oo nga.
Yung bago
Yeah.
mo bilhin, iisipin mo muna, ano na feel mo?
Yeah.
Oo.
Tapos
Parang
pag
ganito,
nabili mo
Bago
na,
mo siya gustuhin.
Exactly.
Yung
Parang
sinasabi
kunyari,
mo,
ilang beses ka na sa showroom. Pag
Yes.
nabili mo na,
wala na.
pag nasa harap mo
Wala na.
Wala na.
okay, ano gagawin natin
It's
dito?
really
And
fleeting
aren't we
happiness.
also like that with relationships? Na
Yes.
parang, pag nasa atin na, yung iba, wala
That's why
na.
people
So,
become complacent.
Okay.
I like the phone example. I'm just gonna dive into it a little bit more. Are we all becoming ADHD?
You know,
Because of our phones? Because
Sorry,
I
explain
could,
natin what's ADHD.
Sige.
para mas
I could relate to that. Parang hindi ako mapakali.
Correct.
Not just with my phone. Even if there are days na I decide, let's say on a
Pag
Sunday,
maingay.
iwan ko yung phone ko sa ibang lugar para hindi ko maabot. Iwan ko sa kabilang kwarto para hassle kuhanin. Pero parang agit ako.
Yeah.
Parang I can't choose which show to watch.
Yeah.
I can't, you know,
that means your brain is overfiring.
ganun na nga.
Yes.
Ganun na nga. I feel that.
Okay. Okay, so ang diagnosis kasi sa mental health may different categories, okay? So may mood, may anxiety, stress-related, at saka neurocognitive. Neurocognitive is where ADHD comes in. Neurocognitive has a lot to do with the processes in your brain. Maingay. So usually dinadiagnose yung ADHD, you've already had it since you were a child. Kasi nga, it's part of the chemistry of your brain. However, because of, social media, how exposed we are with a lot of options, nasasana yung brain natin na laging stimulated. How do we know this? Pag nagsastruggle ka sa stillness.
Oo, hindi ka sanay.
Example, may test ba tayo dyan para magawa
No, ang
natin?
sample daw, may nabasa ako, sabi pagka nanonood ka ng movie tapos or ng mahabang
Check ka pa rin
video,
ng check.
hindi ka na makatagal sa long form
Nabobore
video.
ka.
Sa bobore ka. Ang ginagawa mo, fino-forward mo na.
Yes, pansinin mo
Ibig
to.
sabihin daw nun may may
Yung mga
overstimulation
movies
ka.
Naku,
dati.
sapul na naman asawa ko
Panoorin
nito.
niyo yung mga movies dati, tapos compare niyo sa movies ngayon. Yung movies dati, ang bagal ng plot.
Baka mas boring yung before.
Oo, ang bagal ng
pero
plot.
asa na ba yung mga...
Kaya nating matagalan.
Exactly. Ngayon parang, ang bilis. And I
Minsan nga sa cinema, check ka pa ng, may sumisingit pa na tumicheck ng phone sa aming shirt eh.
And I will tell you, like, totoo yun. People nowadays, kaya yung overstimulated, isa pa, hindi self-care ang Netflix.
Talaga ba?
Oo.
Oh my
Oh my God, you're ruining my teen years.
Yeah, it's not. A lot of okay, when I
Ba, yun na nga lang yung sando.
Bawiin mo.
Yung therapy ko nawala.
Wait lang
Bigyan ko
naman.
kayo ng
Yung
example.
subscription ko yung therapy ko.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Merong body and brain, okay? So body, brain. Pag sinabi natin kasing self-care, eto kaya ko nga siya, hindi naman ako nagulat sa response because a lot of people think self-care is naka-relax ka.
Yes.
Sure. But wait, your body is relaxed. But what about your brain? Your brain is interpreting, analyzing, it's not relaxed. So ano yung self-care? Self-care is when you create. Ikaw yung gumagawa. So your brain starts to, kaya nga diba ang hirap pag binigyan ka piece of paper at magdodrawing ka? Ang hirap, parang kailangan mong isipin. That is self-care. Because you're using your brain, it's not just operating in pilot mode, diba? Naka-autopilot na, para kang lutang, robot ka. And in fact, kaya ka pumipitik. Maraming tao ngayon, diba, ang iksi na ng patience natin.
Oh my God! Sapul na naman ako.
Hindi, totoo. Marami. Punong-puno kasi yung
Minsan nagulat ako sa sarili
load
ko,
ng brain natin.
Max, just to tell you, minsan
Kaya kasali yan.
I find myself, parang, I agree with you, parang, nagsasnap ako, then I ask myself, for what? What?
Hindi, tsaka parang magugulat ka na, bakit ba ako ang galit
Yun nga,
ko?
ba't ang agit
Tapos
ko?
right after mo mag-snap, marirealize mo, ano daw yung nangyari?
Oo, or kaya nanonood ka, ano ba? Ayan. Yeah. Kasi yung brain mo puno eh. So pag nadagdagan siya ng onting isa, so aapaw talaga.
So if you do it like every day na parang feeling mo yun yung self-care mo, hindi maganda for the
Hindi
brain.
siya maganda for the brain. Ito
What?
na lang, simple,
Okay.
very common one also. Pinapangtulog yung phone. Hindi ka makatulog.
Ay, hindi,
Parang
yun, medyo
ganon.
na, I got into that before. And even, let's say, I knew it was bad for me, yung habang nagda-drive,
Yeah.
I was scrolling. I wasn't even looking at what I was scrolling. Wala na akong pakialam. So, sinuscroll ko. Just,
Nagda-drive ka na, nagsiscroll ka pa.
oh, hindi. Tsaka, yun, I know it's
Papahuli kita
bad.
sa LTO.
Exactly. Sabi ko, that's when I knew it was bad kasi I knew I was scrolling. I didn't even care about what I was looking at. It just became a force of
Nagugulat
habit.
ka na. Yeah.
So I knew that was already a bit overboard. Is there a way that or some things you can do to
Yes.
kind of pull yourself if you think you're already, getting to that? Tsaka
Habit.
nakapagod siya eh.
Yes.
Ayaw mo siya pero napapagod ka.
We have to make it sustainable. Hindi ko rin nire-recommend yung parang cold turkey na don't do it, but at least take breaks. Kasi pag cold turkey, magfe-fail ka lang din ng magfe-fail. But if you do it ng breaks, so kunyari, create rules in the household like bawal cellphone sa pagkain, sa table. Ganon. Or pag sa bedroom, usually huwag ka maglagay ng TV. Ganon. Tanggalin mo yung phone sa bedroom kasi mafo-force ka to sit with this. Remember that these are all distractions. You're distracting yourself from something. And that will never go away because you've never dealt with it.
Anong self-care maganda kung
Motor!
Hindi, kung hindi Netflix?
Yes!
Pag motor
Pero
ka,
Sam,
yeah.
tingnan mo kung bakit ang sarap magmotor. Di ba
wala
yung
kang
last ride namin,
Oo.
so,
Wala kayong
di ba
iniisip,
paulit-ulit namin
focus
sinasabi
sa
ng
kalsada.
saya mag-ride. Unang-una,
No
nakafocus
phones.
ka sa present.
Yes.
Di ba?
And you have to be fully present.
Present. Yet
Fully
number
present.
one is be present. Literally, where you are going, you're intentionally there. Kaya di ba ang sarap magmotor? Kasi ang tahimik. Tapos iniisip mo lang to, hindi mo naiisip yung mga problema kasi nandito ka.
Saka phone in
Focus sa
pocket. You're
Tapos
not,
there's physical in
Yeah.
motor kasi nakita ka ng nature.
Pero like inside the house, what else can we all do kung hindi man Netflix?
Okay, one, we need to take care of our circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm is our body clock.
Okay.
Kaya siya tinawag na rhythm, parang beat.
Okay.
Ngayon, kung iba-iba yung oras ng tulog mo, ng gising mo ganyan, yung beat ng katawan mo,
Ay, hindi. Ako consistent
yan,
naman.
yes.
So mas okay
wala kang
kapag-
choice, girl.
Yes, yun na nga eh. So mas okay ba para sa tao yung consistent talaga yung oras? ng
Oo.
sleep? If it's 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. or 10, dapat
think
ganun.
Yes,
Okay.
kasi that puts your body into like a rhythm na alam nung body mo kung kailan ka,
Magsha-shut down.
oo, at saka alam din niya kung kailan ka full
I
on
like that.
nakakoncentrate.
Okay.
Now, self-care sa bahay, I would recommend talagang
Gardening?
hindi
Papunta na sa pagkatsahin.
Pwede, but hindi.
Gardening.
Ako, like what I do, guitar.
Okay.
Kasi you create it eh.
Galing.
Diba?
Oh, yeah.
Guitar, sabi ko nga sa'yo, Lego,
Anything that keeps you away
Anything
being
off-
overstimulated.
na ikaw yung gumagawa.
Off TV, off phone, dapat
Kasi
hindi
ito,
talaga.
presented sa'yo yung gagawin mo eh. Sumusunod ka lang.
So when you're running, mas okay nang walang music.
It depends. Some people kasi they get bored without music, but there is a challenge kasi pag wala kang music, you are forced to
Yun na
sit
nga
with
eh.
that stillness.
Oo.
I
And the
recommend
pain.
that.
Sit with the pain.
Sit with the
So
pain.
it's better to exercise with no music.
I wouldn't, kita mo kung gano'n ako kaingat kasi baka hindi siya mag-work for others pero baka ma-eliminate lahat just because it didn't
Which
work.
is better for the
Kaya
Sa akin
nilalagyan ko
kasi-
siya ng sweet spot.
Sa akin kasi, minsan, kailangan ko ng, like, for personally, no?
Same.
Kasi I'm cycling or whatever, or running.
Kailangan ng music.
Tapos pagod na, no? Kailangan ko lang ng power song. Let's say, I'm feeling already a bit, medyo
Yan.
pagod na. Meron akong playlist na
Pang
ganyan
upbeat.
eh. Kailangan
Yes.
ko ng pampatulak kasi
Correct.
pagod na ako.
Tsaka maha-hype ka.
Yeah,
Pero
so
which one's better for the brain? Kasi nga sinasabi mo, 'di ba? Parang
The
kung
brain
ginagawa mo
needs
yun,
to
hindi pa rin siya
still.
self-care kasi parang baka yung utak mo nandun pa rin sa song, hindi yung kung ano talaga yung nangyayari present.
What I would recommend though kung walang music is to tune in with noticing your environment.
That's
That's
what I
called
do.
grounding.
That's nice.
Ganon. So, pero naiintindihan ko rin kasi yung need for, an accessory. Kasi ano siya, minsan, nandun ka,
Mental
pero
game.
tatakbo ka pa rin. But you're not performing what it's saying. So, medyo nasa good side pa yun.
Okay.
okay ba pakinggan si Kanye West? Mga ganun. Hindi, joke lang.
Pwede.
Okay, magkano naman tayo. I know we have so many questions.
From our leche natin,
We
sino
promised,
gustong
oh.
mauna?
Let's start with this side siguro,
Okay,
no?
sige.
Kahit without, if it's too personal, you don't have to mention your name. No? Pero okay lang, kita pa rin mukha nyo. So, let's close, no?
Okay, name and location.
Hello po, good morning. Ay, good afternoon. I am Ella. And
Ella.
yes, my question is, it's about like, why do I keep pushing away people who like me? And then,
Girl.
Wait, the question is, do you like them?
Ivan.
no.
Ah, okay.
And then, parang, I'm looking for it or the feeling of being liked kapag hindi na nila ako gusto.
Ay, ang ganda yan. Oh my God. Oh my, I used to have that problem. Yung
Okay.
parang, the thrill that chase. Pero pag umalis na, parang ayoko na sa'yo. Biglang,
Yeah.
shit.
I will call that deactivation.
Okay.
Or some people call it ick.
Ik.
Diba? Yung parang, na-ick ka.
ick feeling.
Yung parang, ang lakas niyang umuya, ick.
Okay.
O pero,
It's
nawala.
called deactivation. So, okay, let's talk about attachment muna. Babalik lagi tayo sa ano ba yung sanay yung nervous system mo, especially growing up. Most likely, people who have a tendency to chase and withdraw, it's because it was like that. Meaning, hindi ko sinasabi yung family mo ganun, pero sinasabi ko lang that affection is inconsistent. Ibig sabihin parang mas nai-interpret mo yung pagmamahal kapag magulo, kapag may habol-habol. Tapos yung deactivation, nangyayari siya pag kunyari nakuha mo na siya, hindi ka na-activated. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na-arouse, wala nang dopamine. Kaya ka nagkakaroon ng, ayoko na pala sa'yo. And that is why healthy relationships, we need to learn to understand that those things are part of being healthy. Kasi hindi healthy na may chaos every day. Healthy yung feeling na di mo talaga sila gusto all the time. I mean, I've met many couples na married na, sinasabi nila na para na lang kaming roommates. It really happens. Pero, dahil nanonotice mo na siya na parang roommates na lang kayo, you create the stimulation. Yun yung
How?
sinasabi ko, somehow dapat meron pa rin. Yung excitement.
Yeah.
So,
But how
You
do
put
you
an
create
effort.
that?
Put an effort.
yeah, put in an
Yeah,
effort. Do something
together, yeah.
different.
Oh, yeah.
Do something new.
Okay.
Do something that would arouse the other person. So the ick is not necessarily a red flag. A lot of people say that. But I will tell you today, lahat ng tao may red flags.
Tama! Ako rin.
So, ano yan?
Wala akong red. Meron pala akong red.
Tama yun.
Oh. So mas magandang question that you ask yourself is that what is it about the person or anong ginawa niya na na-ick ka? Kasi yun, madideal mo yun eh. Pero pag generalize mo siya na ayoko na pala sa kanya, you will never find someone. Because you will always have the ick. So pwede kong...
It's fixing yourself.
Yes. At saka
Right,
nervous system siya. Ibig sabihin, nangyayari siya sa body mo, tas ikaw dapat yung magda-dive doon na, ba't ako na-ick? Diba? What is it about it? For example, ako na-ick ako sa isang person before dahil bad mag-handle ng pera.
Yes.
And dahil na-ick ako doon, na-realize ko like, because I grew up in an environment na pinag-aawahan yung pera eh. So kung hindi ko type kung paano ka sa pera, ick talaga
Automatic.
sa akin yun.
yeah.
Ang nakalimutan ko though is this. Ito, tandaan din natin. Two people, when they come together, you will really have differences. I call it differences, not red flags. If I want to save up every time may sahod ako at yung other person gusto mag-invest, walang mali sa amin. Hindi ick yun. Iba lang siya. But the
Ibang
goal,
priorities.
dapat meron kayong compromise. The moment na pinilit ko siya na, ba't di ka nagsisave? Yon, mali yon. Pag pinilit niya ako mag-invest, mali rin yon. So you are marrying someone, being together with someone who is different. And if it shuts you off, it means that you have to find a compromise where it works.
Galing. Ganda.
Hindi ka makakahanap ng perfect na tao kasi walang ganon, di ba?
Umiyak. Sobrang ganda nun. Sobrang ganda nun.
Walang taong walang
Walang red
red flag.
flag.
Tandaan mo na ako sa
Kailangan
mga
mo
scientist,
humanap.
Pero wala pa ako
Exactly.
Si Socrates na nga
Kailangan mo humanap ng taong, eto ha, kailangan mo humanap ng taong willing harapin yung sarili nila.
Hey.
Willing harapin ang
Sarili
nila.
nila.
It starts,
Willing
yeah, it
silang
starts
magbago.
Oo.
Kasi marami ka makita may flow. Pero yung question is, what are they doing about it?
Tsaka yung willing to meet halfway.
Yes. Tsaka isa pang red flag sa pagde-date ngayon, notice how they talk about their ex.
Oh, sige.
If it's always about, totoo yun, how they speak of their ex speaks about them. Kasi yung ex ko ganito, kasi parang lahat na lang fault niya. Diba?
May galit.
Pero kapag may mga, ngayon, diba, mas healthy yung, mas neutral na, it just didn't work out. You know that, yung open siya to admit na may pagkakamali rin ako, yan, medyo healthy yan.
Ang ganda na sinabi niya. So alam niyo na kung single kayo, nakikipag-date kayo ngayon.
Ayusin
Actually,
niyo.
yung ex ko.
Sobrang okay, di ba?
Niloko ka, girl. Sobrang okay niya kaya.
Sobra. Pwede mo ipurihin, di ba?
2
Yung
years
ex ko
ka-
sobrang okay nun.
Mikey, alam
My
mo yung
God.
ex ko, 2 years kami. Tapos nalaman ko, meron pa siyang isang girlfriend, 1 year sila. Pero super
Pero
okay.
super okay siya. Oh. Super okay siya.
siya.
Oh.
I mean, like, how do you do that? It's hard, ha?
Hindi.
Ako,
I'm
aamin ako
saying,
kasi yung ex ko talagang may hindi magandang
saying-
ginawa sa akin.
Relax.
Yeah,
Yung sumo, yung kape,
I'm just
yung
saying
kape.
like, it's not that you speak good of your ex. Don't get me wrong. It's about how you viewed that relationship. Hindi siya, kasi maraming ang parang, kasalanan niya, ako, victim. Sure. But ano yung responsibility niya sa relationship na yon reflects siya sa relationship. You get me? Parang
Yes.
kung paano niya nakikita yung sarili niya sa relationship. Vulnerable ba siya? Inaamin din niya yung mistakes niya nang hindi na lang lahat kasama yung ex. That's pretty much a good red flag.
Kumbaga, kapag nag-e-end naman talaga yung
quality.
relationship, hindi lang isang tao may mali.
Oo.
Lagi namang dalawa.
At
Mas
saka-
marami lang siyang mali. No? Tama ba yun?
Ito na lang, bigyan kita example.
Nagbilang pa rin.
Marami akong clients, punta sa therapy na, kasi asawa ko, puro reklamo. Okay. Ito lang yung question ko. What do you do about it?
Okay.
Kasi ang dami mong reklamo, sure. Ano ginagawa
What's the
mo?
solution?
Galing.
Kumbaga parang,
You also have to look
asan
at
yung
yourself.
responsibility
Yeah,
mo?
at yourself.
Kasi at the end of the day, right, kung marami ka palang reklamo tapos you allow it, that's also your
Your fault.
behavior.
Is it also the same behavior with work? Yung mga taong mareklamo sa... Lahat tingin ako. Mga taong mareklamo sa trabaho, reklamo ng reklamo, ganun din.
Okay. Pansinin mo, diba? So, 24 hours a day,
Yeah.
sabihin na natin 8, 16, 24, 8 hours you sleep, 8 hours you're home, 8 hours you're working. I'm creating that category kasi it means that we sometimes spend as much time working as much as we were at home. Therefore, kung ano yung itsura ng family dynamics mo, how you treat your parents, how you treat your siblings, pretty much how it is, ganun ka rin sa work. Kasi you look at your workmates as yung mga supervisors as like authority eh. So kung hindi ka humingi ng tulong sa parents mo, most likely hindi ka rin hingi ng tulong dito. Kasi may authority.
Independent
Kung hindi ka
ka.
confrontational with your parents, mo
Malamang
with
hindi
your
ka rin,
boss.
oh,
Kaya
tanggap
sila
ka ng
mareklamo, di ba? So, how you get along with other people also is how you get along with your siblings. Yeah. So, maraming babalik at babalik talaga sa tahanan.
Oh, yeah.
Kung
Kaya-
Teka, meron pa tayong question. So, go ahead.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Maggie.
Hi,
So, it's my question is two-prong. So, I've experienced breaking up na mabilis nag-move on.
Siya or
Siya.
ikaw? Okay.
And then, nagkaroon din ako ng experience where mabilis ako naka-move on.
Okay.
So, is it, parang psychologically speaking, is it healthy na mabilis nakaka-move on ng isang
Kung
or
magaling ka mag-move on.
Oo.
ganun.
Kinabukasan, naka-move on
Or
agad.
is there something wrong with moving on fast for that
kasi
matter?
like I know there are people na matagal talaga nakaka-move on and then
Yeah.
there are people na mabilis
Oh, yeah.
nakaka-move
True,
on.
true.
So like, is there an actual healthy...
Diba 1 year for every,
Very,
1 month
very
for every
good.
1 year?
Ganda
That's
ng tanong,
maganda yan kasi sa totoo lang, you guys, there is no formula. When I say no formula, there are steps. But in terms of the time frame, it really depends on the person's
Tama.
capabilities.
So, hindi totoo yung kay John Lloyd na
Na
3-month
3-month rule.
rule. Para lang mali, matapos na to.
Oo, hindi.
Hindi kasi nadali na ako dyan eh. Wala pa daw 3
So
months.
pagka nagkaroon ka ng jowa, ibabalik mo yung sinabi.
Minsan naghihintay na ako, 8 days na lang.
Ni
Eh,
Max.
may cut-off, malapit na. Pwede na ulit.
Okay, break up kasi you're using terms na very general, no? How do we move on and ano ba yung break up? Breaking up needs to be something that you've decided to do. Diba? Nag-break na kayo. And when you break up, kailangan yung decision na yun, kahit ano yung feelings kasama niya, hindi ka matitrigger ng feelings para bumalik. Kasi that's just the attachment concerns. So the breakup, number 1, you need to be sure of the truth because the truth doesn't change kahit anong feelings mo. Right? Kumbaga nag-decide ka, parang kunyari, bumili kang kotse, hindi ka na dapat tumingin pa sa ibang, di ba? Parang babad tripin mo lang yung sarili mo, bumili ka ng kotse, tapos titingin ka pa.
Mali na naman ako.
You don't wanna go back to thinking about why you broke up. You
Yeah.
have to have the truth already. Now, second is moving on. Moving on has a lot to do with your nervous system. Yun yung sinasabi ko na may pain siya, hindi dahil mali yung decision mo. May pain siya kasi may attachment ka. And yung attachment na yun, kailangan ikaw yung mag-soothe. Okay? So, 4 things. Number 1, accept the reality. Reality doesn't change regardless of what you feel. Second, you have to express the emotion that comes with the breakup. Yun yung mga parang, okay lang umiyak ka. Hindi mo naman siya babalikan eh. I-feel mo pa rin yung emotions mo.
Process mo.
Right? And then the third one is you have to reintegrate your life back without that person. Hindi ka pwedeng nililive mo pa rin yung buhay na yun as if babalik
Nandyan
siya or
siya.
nandyan siya. You have to move forward regardless kung babalik siya or hindi. You reintegrate your life back. And then the last one is reinvest it. All of the love that you wanted to give it pa rin. Don't, kasi unexpressed love nga is grief, diba? Kaya siya mabigat. Kasi hindi mo alam saan bibigay. So you have to do that with yun, friends, your family, yourself. Kaya diba, lahat ng nag-break up ngayon, minamahal yung sarili. Something on that note though, I do not believe that you can prepare yourself in a relationship by being single. Di ba maraming ganyan? Papaka-single muna ako so I'll be ready for a relationship.
Yeah.
Sure, but the complex skills you need to learn in a relationship like repair, forgiveness, hindi mo yun magagawa pag mag-isa ka.
Tama.
So the real work really happens in
With
relationships.
someone.
So I hope I answered that. It really depends. If a person has a lot of good resources, magaling silang kumbaga lumalabas sila. Kasi depression can really happen, no? Pag may breakup. Kasi nga, hindi mo alam yung, kunyari, Friday night, dati lagi mo siya kasama. Ngayon parang, sino na? Dapat meron. Kaya yung sinasabi na mabilis nag-move on kasi may iba na, ang pinakamahirap dyan is magbi-bleed yung issues ng relationship na yun doon. Kasi hindi mo siya naupuan eh.
Nag-rebound.
Lalabas at lalabas yung issues na yun.
Hindi siya na-resolve
Hindi siya na-resolve.
or na-discuss.
Kaya nagbumukhang naka-move on na yung mga tao, but I tell you, real work happens when you can sit with that
The
pain
feeling, yeah.
without needing to go back.
Next!
Ako si Cici, founder ng Divorce for the Philippines na.
Nako, Divorce for the Philippines.
Divorce!
Oh, ganda nito. Okay.
Yun.
Oh.
Kanina sinabi ni DJ Chacha na majority of the women are confrontational. Siguro ako yung minority.
Okay.
Hindi ako confrontational. Hindi ako nagger. Martyr ako. Nagtiis ako ng 13 years sa isang domestic abuse marriage. Ang tanong ko ay paano nakakaapekto ang religion, culture at shame sa isang desisyon na pag-stay or pag-alis sa isang marriage, and bakit maraming mga kalalakihan din at sa mga kababaihan na nagsistay sa isang abusive marriage.
I like that kasi
Like
especially before you answer, sorry, Max, no, because I believe in the Philippines, of course, it's a big issue, the divorce law, being passed or not. But tamin natin, what goes beyond that, the
Yeah.
deeper, signs of that would be nakakaya. Diba? Ay, divorce, may divorce, parang may may stigma. Diba? Oh, sa religion, hindi, bawal yan eh. Diba? It's like the LGBTQ still fighting for their rights because of whatever, is in the books of the Bible. So yeah, how do we
Sagutin
get
ko
to
yung
that?
tanong ni Sam. Nakakahiya yan eh. Di ba ganito yan? Ang lagi kong balik sa kanila is, sino nagsabi? Sinabi mo, yan ba yung truth mo? Or truth na inimpose sa'yo? Kanino siya nakakahiya? Sino nagsabi nakakahiya? Kasi again, the real challenge is, in therapy, just in general, my goal for my client is to come out liking who they are. And tama yung sinabi ni Cici na, malaki yung influence ng culture, ng society, all of it. Kasi yun yung na-impose sa atin eh. But then again, the real work comes in, yun ba yung gusto mo sa'yo?
And buhay mo pa rin at the end of the day.
Right? Yes. And not a lot of people are willing to take on that stand. One, because they don't have resources. Which answers the second part of the question na, kaya sila bumabalik kasi saan sila pupunta? So if wala silang pag-equip na, minsan totoong needs saan ako titira, magagalit buong pamilya ko, hindi natin sila masisisi, nababalik sila doon. So that's why we need to increase their resources also. Kasi kahit alam nila sa sarili nila, hindi nila makita yung hope na kaya nila without the person. And definitely shame plays a role because yun nga, we have adapted the belief of our families. So kung mapapansin mo, diba, when we get married, kailangan natin umalis sa bahay. Kasi hindi pwedeng may rules pa rin na ayaw mo naman, di ba? It's a lot of unlearning from your old house, and now you have to learn what you want for your house. So yun yung gap that most people forget na they can only do so much. Minsan ang tanong ko nga doon is, what's the worst that can happen? Di ba? Hiniwalayan mo siya, nagalit yung ganito, anong susunod nung storya? Kasi may kasunod yun eh. And kung ano man yun, kakayanin mo siya.
Paano yun for other women na sabihin na natin plain housewife? Kasi yung mga ganitong scenario, yung nahihirapan lumabas sa relationship, most of it, yung hindi kaya financially.
Correct.
Yes.
Parang
Correct.
nasanay na yung lalaki talaga yung nagdadala ng pera sa bahay.
No
Ano
choice,
yung
parang
ina-advise
if-
mo sa mga ganong client?
Well, number one, I think it's because they don't have an idea that they have legal rights. So when I talk to, I work with a lot of lawyers with VAUSI cases, that's a VAUSI case. So hindi dapat and again, understandable that people act in fear kasi nga ano nga ba yung next. But if they know what's next, then they are capable.
Yeah. Kumbaga kung alam nila.
Na meron.
That
Na
you
meron.
have a right.
Oo, na
merong
kahit iwanan
poprotect.
mo yung lalaki na yan, dapat mag-provide siya sa'yo
Yes.
at sa bata.
Yes.
Hindi sila matatakot.
Yes. So a lot of it is literacy and psychoeducation. Now, wait, may karapatan ka.
Yeah.
And that is abuse.
Pero do you advise na in a relationship, dapat talaga may kita rin yung babae, hindi lang yung lalaki.
I will say that there should be equal
Okay.
freedom and authority on the money.
Okay.
Okay.
Oo.
'Di ba? Ibig sabihin, kasi when you're married, yung meron talaga kayong
Conjugal.
meron talagang shared something. Otherwise, ba't pa kayo together?
Yeah.
So, hindi ko sinasabi that you guys should merge your finances. But again, babalik ako sa example na if ako ma-save, yung isa ma-invest, kailangan ma-meet yung dalawang differences namin ng something we're both happy. And it's not, yun na nga, di ba? Love and attachment. Paano mo alam kung love or attachment? Attachment is always at the expense of yourself. Love is sacrifice, but never that you set yourself aside.
Ganda.
Ang lalim na. Mga bukas, makigets ko na yun. Joke lang. Sakto, mga 2 days
Last two
process.
questions.
Last, oh.
Last
Anyone,
two, meron
oh.
pa ba? Oh. Wait. Yes, sir.
Stone from episode 292.
Naalala ko naman. Naalala ko si Stone.
Let's
Lately kasi napapansin ko yung mga people around me na lagi ang kinakamusta. Sabi ko, bakit ano ba meron? So, ang sa isip ko, kinakamusta niyo ba ako dahil okay ako o dahil yung love life ko? Kasi I've been single since 2018. So, parang sila pa yung bothered na wala single ako. Sabi ko. So, anong problema? May mali ba doon? So, ako kasi ini-enjoy ko lang yung buhay ko. Saka kung may dadating man sa buhay ko,
Good.
ang hirap kasi magtiwala eh. Kasi I've been in a relationship for almost 8 years, tapos ganun lang nawala. So parang ang hirap kasi magtiwala na. So tinabi ko na yon, ini-enjoy ko na lang yung buhay ko. Kaya lang parang iniisip ko rin, there's something wrong with me.
Parang do you feel sorry? Do you feel that parang you're closing your doors or no naman? Or you're just really enjoying your...
Sabi ko nga sa episode 292, kung may dumating, okay. Kung wala, okay lang.
Okay lang din.
Okay.
Pero ano mas okay?
Both.
Yeah.
Hindi ba
Wala ka
merong
talagang
mas lamang
preference.
doon? Or, di ba?
Human need kasi talaga natin ang relationship.
Okay.
Pero kung na-fulfill kasi yung part na yun ng not a romantic relationship but you're in a community, family, may friends ka na sobrang close, I think that's okay.
True.
Pero babalik ako dun sa, so 'di ba, ito gawa kong example. Kunyari may nagbabike tas nadisgrasya siya. Paano mo nalalaman pag healthy or recovered na siya?
Nakabike na ulit.
Yon, tama. Bakit? Ito yung nagbabike siya, nadisgrasya, pero bago siya gumaling, may nangyari, 'di ba?
Yeah, mahilig.
Nasaktan siya, hinil niya yung sarili niya. But remember, therapy, even physical therapy, they tried to learn something they already know, which is walking. The same way, in romantic relationships, pag nasaktan tayo, malalaman natin healed tayo pag nagtitiwala na tayo ulit, nagmamahal as if it's the first time.
Yeah.
Right? So, it's not naman na parang kailangan mo balikan to tas ayusin yun. No, it's about teaching yourself things that you know when you were in a relationship and doing it again. Most people, when we get hurt, di ba, kasala na ako dun, we will do everything to avoid pain. Everything, di ba?
Ayaw mo na maulit yung feeling, syempre.
Yeah, and we become hyper-vigilant. That's why people are anxious
Correct.
na, hindi siya nag-reply, ganito. Why? Kasi we're avoiding pain. But we forget that pain is part of life. Pain is your willingness, yun nga, di ba, kaya running. Kasi kahit ano pang pain yan, kakayanin mo yan. Ang importante is hindi ka nag-act out of fear ng pain. Kaya lagi kong challenge dyan is it the fear of staying the same? Would you rather stay the same or would you rather try and know that you will recover from that pain anyways?
So most of the people na galing sa traumatic relationship and
Yes.
parang chose to stay single for a very long time is because ayaw
Ayaw
nila.
nila ng pain. And
Ayaw-
normal yun
Oo,
eh.
yeah.
Pero yun nga yung sasabihin natin na hindi natin talaga realistically ma-avoid ang pain. Why? Kahit
It's gonna be
single
part
ka,
of life,
may
yeah.
pain.
Totoo, yeah.
I mean,
believe
single ka, yung pain of loneliness is
Yep.
real.
Yeah.
So choose your pain.
I love it.
Choose your pain,
Oh,
guys.
last, we have one more.
One last question. Ito na, galing
Ito,
pang
no?
Batangas.
Sa kanya pa nga, ginagano niya yung mic. Teka lang, abot din sa'yo, girl.
Saka yung kanina kung yung ang topic
Sa'yo pala,
natin.
inaabot na niya. Relax, abot tayo dyan.
Ito yung kanina, yung ang topic natin, yung about mag-jowa na nag-aaway. Nagtitigil kasi, nagkagano din sila.
Yung nagkukurutan sa ilalim.
Okay.
Hello guys, I'm Diana,
Diana.
We're from Batangas. So my question is, how important is me time? Kasi
Me time.
yes, kasi yung husband ko, ini-insist niya na dapat meron kaming me time. So siya,
Ayaw mo.
pag nagpaalam siya, pinapayagan ko siya.
Dapat.
Pero ako personally,
Ops, pakidelete. Pakidelete yan. Pakidelete
naman
naman.
sarili mo eh.
pero ako kasi personally, I don't do it and I don't like to do it.
Ang me time?
Yes.
Okay.
Parang sa akin kasi,
Why?
parang
Pero
gusto
hindi,
ko,
ano ba yung me time na
Oo nga,
ayaw mo?
pa-define.
yung mag-isa lang ako, halimbawa magbumol ako or I'll do things on my own.
Ay, Bumomol ka?
Ayaw mo?
Momol ka.
Magmomol.
Ang hirap magmomol mag-isa.
Magmomol.
I mean, like,
Sold us
why?
at momol.
Wala, gusto ko lang kasama ko siya lagi.
Okay, sobrang attached ka sa
Oo,
kanya.
ganon.
Anong sinasabi niya pag ganon? Kunwari gusto niya ng time alone or with his friends.
Pinapayagan ko naman siya, pero parang ina-encourage na ako na I'll do it also
For you, for yourself.
for myself.
You don't have friends?
I have friends,
Okay.
pero ang me time niya is yung ako lang.
Okay.
Like,
So wait, yung me time niya is like you go out with friends or talagang alone?
you go with your friends.
Biking alone. Okay, got it.
Okay.
All right.
Sama mo na kasi mag-bike. Char.
gusto nga yun ng me
Oo,
time.
oo nga pala,
I
me
like
time.
that. In a relationship, how important is me time?
Very. No judgments here. I'm just saying na baka what you're experiencing is you've become so co-regulated.
Mukha nga.
Which is okay. Pero ang healthy relationship kasi kailangan meron kang identity at saka meron kayong shared identity.
Identity and shared identity. That's
Kasi
nice.
the goal is kumbaga parang ang malaki kasi impact nun sa mga walang me time na pag wala sila may distress ka.
Okay.
'Di ba? Ikaw rin yung matatalo is what I'm saying. But if you have pero ang suggestion ko Diana is to find something that you really like para hindi siya mahirap gawin. You get me? Start with what really sparks you.
Padel.
So that
Padel.
or tickleball.
Tickle the ball. Tickle ball.
So me time is when you talk about me time, I just interpret it as like relationship with yourself.
Yeah,
You
that's
know?
a good way to put it.
When you have a relationship with yourself, one, mabilis mo kasi ma-identify kung anxiety yon or reality yon. Pag wala kang relationship sa sarili mo, you get swayed with a lot of voices. Right? I'll give an example.
Swayed with a lot of voices.
Kunyari hindi ako naniniwala maganda ako.
Okay.
Kahit sabihin ng buong mundo na maganda ako, never enough yun. Kasi hindi ako naniniwala eh. Pero kung naniniwala ako maganda ako, tapos may nagsabi sa akin pangit ako, wala akong pake. Kasi voice ko, alam ko.
Oo, yeah.
You have your
correct.
true self.
Correct.
You know if it's you.
At yun yung nabubuo pag may time ka for yourself.
That's why love and attachment, ang love is you sacrifice yes for the person, but that voice should still be there.
Yeah.
When you have attachment bond or trauma bond, your voice is his voice. Hindi ako okay pag di mo sabi okay ako. You know? And that can put you in a very dysregulated
Nawawala
state.
yung personality mo rin.
Yes.
No? You just drown in whatever.
Kaya nagkakaroon ng anxiety. Kasi
Correct, yeah.
nag-uusap to. Conference, di ba may conference dyan?
So, Diana, pag di mo siya kasama, matindi ng anxiety mo?
Hindi naman. Parang,
Ano ginagawa mo?
Ginagawa mo.
Lagi
Oh my God!
yung lalaki.
I love it! Vindicated ka sa amin.
So pagkain, saan ginagawa mo? Pinapauwi na ako. Ako
Lagi ka
nag-meet
lang yung pinapauwi.
Pinayagan ka, pinauwi ka naman.
Hindi kasi ganito rin
Nasa phone
minsan
lang.
eh. Baka naman kasi sobra yung me time. Ilang oras na me time ba to?
Yeah,
At
yeah.
gaano kadalas yung me time dapat?
Mga
sa
3 days, 2
partners?
nights, ganun. Hong Kong.
3
Uy,
days
kasi
din.
may kilala akong couple na parang sometimes 3 months yata nawawala yung asawa.
Yun ang idea. Yun ang idea.
Ay.
Ayaw natin
Ganong
yun.
level.
Again,
I mean, may mga anak to. So parang, nung kinukwento niya yun sa utak ko, I mean, like, seryoso, 3 months. Tapos babalik ng parang, no contact to. Sabi niya, nagte-text naman. Bakit daw? I mean, like, he just like to do his
His own thing.
stuff.
Ah.
For 3 months?
That's
Is
it.
that healthy?
That's exactly what I mean by this has to be defined. Meron akong jowa before, sabi, in moderation lang yung inom. Oh, moderation. Ilan ba yung moderation? Yun pa lang, moderation is 5. You get them saying wait, we need to define terms here. Because if moderation for you is four times a week, that's not moderation sa akin.
Yes.
That is why you need to talk about specificity na okay sa kanila.
Oo.
Kung para sa akin, 2 nights,
Okay,
3
both
nights.
ways, hindi sa isa lang.
Para it's defined. So when I don't dictate how much it is, my goal is may compromise. How much do we save? How much do we invest? That is what's ideal in that relationship.
Okay.
So the me time here,
Silang dalawa
right?
mag-uusap.
They have to talk about it.
Yeah.
Ano ba to, every Saturday? Okay ba sa
Once a
kanya yun?
week, oo.
Para siya, may plan din siya na, okay, pag Saturday, gagawin ko to.
Correct.
Yun.
Correct.
Para walang miscommunication
Miscom,
or
na parang-
resentment.
Yes.
Yan. Galing.
Ganda.
At least na,
Ganda. Okay,
and I,
dalawa lang mag-uusap nun.
ako kasi, importante yung me time, but yun nga, I never thought of it that way na, kailangan pag-usapan nyo rin. Ano ba yung me time?
Both
Yeah,
ways.
how
The
much
regulation,
time is
diba?
me time?
Let's say, do you get to...
And what do you do in that me time?
Correct, diba? Mag-beach ka ba or whatever, how long you're gonna
Or
stay
magbabike.
there, magbabike, diba? It's really important to really discuss, yun nga, even details like that. If you want the relationship to work. Kasi nga, yung me time, baka maging ma-interpret as something else eh.
Yep.
Diba?
Tsaka in relationships, let's not forget to ask questions. Most fights and conflicts and arguments, nagsistem siya kasi hindi talaga kayo nagkaintindihan. You know, like,
Yeah.
labas ka ng labas. Ano yung labas ng labas?
Tama.
Right? Like, you have to ask questions. Ang problema pag matagal na yung relationship, alam niya na yon. Hindi niya alam, girl.
I know.
Saka yung sumusobra ka na. Hindi ko alam yung sobra
You have to ask, like, sandali nga, ano ba yung madalas? Ano ba
Oo
yung me
nga.
time? Ano ba yung... Kasi tandaan nyo, this person is growing too. This person you met 10 years ago is not anymore that person.
Yeah.
You are getting to know each other every day.
I love it.
Ganda.
Ask questions.
I mean, baka si Baby Boy, wala okay na ba kayo?
Baby boy,
Wala?
grabe.
May gusto ka bang, wala na, okay ka na? Parang tinakot mo na siya, girl.
Parang mukhang wala mo ng me time. Mga 1 year ka muna sa bahay, papi.
Ang ganda nung question nilang dalawa kasi
I love it.
most of the time,
Yeah.
problema yung sa relationship eh.
Correct.
Nawawala talaga yung identity nung isa.
Yeah.
Di ba? Or sometimes kayong dalawa when in a relationship. Kaya nga may mga friends tayo pag may jowa, di natin nararamdaman, di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos babalik din pag na...
Correct.
Tapos
Ganda.
hindi sinasabi na gusto palang umalis pero resentment na pala.
Grabe. Ang dami pa naming questions for Mikey or for Max. Pero
Well,
nagulat ako. Grabe, ganito na kami kahaba nag-uusap.
but
it's so
thank you. Thank you for being our guest for the
Lot
past
of
2 episodes.
insights.
At least we understand things better. Got another perspective, a professional perspective on why things are at bakit minsan hindi natin maunawaan yung mga partners natin. Sarili natin, for that matter. We don't
Tama.
understand ourselves. Bakit
Just
tayo
in
ganito?
case, Papi, may questions yung mga nakikinig sa atin at nanonood sa podcast na hindi namin na-tackle sa episode na to, please do let us know in the comment section. And
Is there a way to
tatawagin
reach
natin
you?
ulit. Ayan, si Mikey.
Yeah, just tag me on Instagram, ganon. It's
What's your Instagram?
ano nga ba Instagram ko? I think it's
Ilalagay natin
Emiron.
dito.
Yeah, just put it
Ilalagay
there.
We'll
Yeah.
put it there.
Yeah.
So you can also reach out to her in case you guys want to consult and whatnot.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much, Legendatics, for
much,
being in studio.
Mikey, ang psychologist na kamukha ni Miriam Kiamba.
Wow, totoo ba?
Oo, pang Miss Universe.
Thank you to Ivan, to Addy, and of
And
course to
draft
Josh.
coffee, of course.
Yes.
Obvious namang masarap. Nakita niyo naman yun sa akin, di ba?
Saka mukhang panty.
Sorry na po talaga.
5 days kang gising.
Oo.
Thank you so much.
Draft
Malaban.
Coffee.
Once again, my name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
This has been Lecheng Pag-ibig to. Be safe, be good. Bye-bye.
Bye!